With Galaxy Z Flip Flex Window, take fun, creative photos from different angles without opening your phone. Quick draw your camera by double pressing the power button. Zip around the Flex window with just a few swipes. Switch between photo, video, and portrait and change their features by tapping the drop-down. Frame your shot by pinching to zoom in and out. And then tap the screen or press the volume keys to take a photo or start recording video. After you take the photo, tap the thumbnail to give it a look over. You can also favorite or move to trash.